Hey everyone, welcome back to Hey You Know. Today we're diving into something I'm super passionate about, something that makes life worth living: travel. But not just any travel. We're talking about seeing the world without emptying your wallet. Look, I get it, travel seems expensive, kinda impossible even, but trust me, it's way more attainable than you think. With the right hacks, the right mindset, you can be exploring ancient ruins in Peru or sipping cappuccinos in Italy without the stress of going broke. So buckle up, smash that subscribe button, and get ready for some serious travel inspiration because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on how to travel the world on a budget. Alright, listen up because this is rule number 1, the golden rule of budget travel: plan ahead. I'm talking months in advance, people. Remember those spontaneous trips you always dreamed of? Yeah, those usually come with a hefty price tag. Flights? They're like avocados, the prices fluctuate like crazy. Book in advance, like 3 to 6 months out, and you'll score way better deals. Same goes for accommodations. Pro tip: use websites like Google Flights or Skyscanner to track prices and set up alerts. They'll do the heavy lifting for you, notifying you when prices drop. And don't even get me started on peak season. Avoid it like the plague. Traveling during the off-season means fewer crowds and more bang for your buck. Remember, planning is your secret weapon to unlocking affordable adventures. Okay, let's talk budget airlines. I know what you're thinking: cramped seats, extra fees, the whole shebang, but hear me out. They can be your ticket to unbelievable savings. Look for airlines like Spirit, Frontier, Ryanair, EasyJet. These guys are the kings of low fares. Sure, they might nickel and dime you for baggage, but if you pack light and smart, you're golden. Flexibility is key here. Be open to different airports, layovers, even red-eye flights. The more flexible you are, the cheaper it gets. And here's a little secret: sign up for their newsletters. That's where they announce flash sales and error fares. You could end up flying to Paris for the price of a pizza. Remember, budget airlines are your friends, not your foes. Use them wisely and watch the savings roll in. Forget about 5-star hotels, alright? I'm talking about experiencing a place like a local, living like a local, and that means exploring alternative accommodations. Hostels, my friend, are a traveler's best friend. They're cheap, social, and you meet people from all walks of life. Plus, most hostels have kitchens, which means you can save even more money by cooking your own meals. Then there's Airbnb. Score a cozy apartment or a room in a local's home for a fraction of the price of a hotel. Plus, you get the added bonus of local insights and recommendations. And for the truly adventurous, try couchsurfing. Crash at a local's place for free. It's a fantastic way to connect with people and experience a destination through their eyes. Remember, ditch the fancy digs and embrace the unique charm of budget-friendly accommodations. Listen, I love a good Michelin star meal as much as the next person, but when you're on a budget, eating out for every meal can drain your funds faster than you can say bon appetit. Instead, hit up local markets. Grab fresh produce, local cheese, crusty bread, and have yourself a picnic in the park. It's cheaper and way more authentic. Street food, my friend, is your new best friend. It's delicious, it's affordable, and it gives you a real taste of the local cuisine. And don't be afraid to cook. Grab some groceries and whip up a simple meal at your hostel or Airbnb. Not only will you save money, but you'll also feel like a total boss. Remember, eating like a local is not only budget-friendly, it's an adventure for your taste buds. Okay, let's talk transportation. Taxis, rental cars, forget about it. Public transportation is where it's at. Hop on a bus, jump on a train, navigate the subway system. It's way cheaper than taxis, and you get to experience the city like a local. Plus, walking is free. Explore the city on foot, discover hidden gems, get some exercise in. It's a win-win situation. If you're feeling adventurous, rent a bike. It's a fun, eco-friendly way to get around, especially in cities with dedicated bike lanes. Pro tip: grab a city transportation card. It usually offers discounted fares and makes navigating the public transportation system a breeze. Remember, ditch the expensive rides and embrace the adventure and affordability of public transportation. So there you have it, my friends. Traveling the world on a budget is totally possible. It's all about planning ahead, being flexible, and embracing the adventure of it all. Don't let money hold you back from experiencing the beauty of this world. Get out there, explore, create memories that will last a lifetime. And remember, subscribe to Hey You Know for more travel hacks, budget tips, and endless inspiration. Until next time, keep exploring.